Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I went to Lau Pa Sat twice and met two adorable orange cats within the same week. I celebrated at the Tipsy Collective Anniversary party and had an amazing time at the Revolver Restaurant, one of the best dining experiences ever. I explored the pagoda exhibition at the Asian Civilisations Museum and devoured the best garlic bread at Brasserie Astoria. Hotpot with the girls was a highlight and I took you guys to work with me. I revisited Featherblade and Rappu and even explored a possible collaboration with Canon. I found the best burger in Singapore, bought coffee beans from an unexpected place, and reminisced over my late grandparents' treasures from the 1930s to 50s. I also scored a seafood hotpot and whole duck deal at Tan Xiang Yuan and fell in love with a Thai restaurant all over again. And guess what? I met Kira the Shiba again at Gastrobeats. Stay tuned, you do not want to miss this adventure. I bought soil from the shop that I bought my plant in. Fast! Wow! What? How did they do it? Get started! Whoa! Some shiny drinks. Thank you. They're cute.
My score is 399. Flick this? Flick. Wow! Wow! What the? What? Yay! I want to go again. Hold on again. Do I have a prize? We drink. Oh, you drink? Okay. Hey! Wait, I never think of. There we go. Come on. I don't feel so satisfied. Hey, how you finger it? Don't expose me. Hey, Emma's finger too powerful. My finger powerful. The 627 is you. Oh my god. Wow. 741. We are now moving to the next location that is called Warwick Manor. Party bus.
We are going to the party bus that will bring us over there. First stop done. No way, you're bluffing me. You are not serious. You're not serious. What? Huh? Woo, wow.
And when you get the chance, you can dance, you can try, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, became the dancing queen. Dancing queen.
If they catch you not being honest,
What? I haven't started.
you have to drink to the next line.
All of us are instructed to finish till the first line over here. Cheers!
Finish the first line, let's go!
Let's go!
Hey, I drink below the line
Nice on the drink.
Like teacher, no, drink below the line.
Alcohol is mixed by every.
It's not past the set. Hey, throw over there.
Hey, before you get extremely excited.
Throw it.
Hey, the people is behind!
Oh my god!
That's it. You'll be written. You either take 1 mouth, 2 mouths,
2 seats.
mouth.
Drink
Follow the line. Now that we don't do 60
Drink
one.
twice.
You can assign somebody else to drink finish the whole bottle.
That's
sound set.
Banan!
Take a look.
Wow, wedding! Aaron!
Yes.
Bottoms up,
Okay.
Bottoms up! We will have to down our bottle. If not, we cannot leave the bus. We cannot have dinner.
We held hostage. like school camp like that.
Okay, that was a start. We are now at location number 2 that is called Sofitel. And we are going to Warwick Manor at level 6. I remember like level 6. Yes.
I'm actually holding Anna's bag to support.
Oh no, really? Yeah.
No lah, I'm okay. Good evening.
Good evening.
I still can be polite.
Hey,
Good evening.
hey, hotel, behave. Hotel.
Warwick Manor!
Warwick Manor. Oh, our model. Please model for the Warwick Manor.
Introduction.
Introduction.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Which IC?
I believe you.
What's the ingredients? No gin, it's pisco. Pisco is like a Peruvian great spirit. There's some elderflower liqueur. There's also some grapefruit cordial. We'll top it up with some bubbles. Okay, so it's like a refreshing, kind of like a punch bowl. Furthermore, without more talking, I'm going to present you. There's a lot of alcohol here.
I feel like I brought the right plus one today. If I brought Marine, she wouldn't have been able to drink this. I brought macaroons and he has actually started drinking in the day. So I hope he holds up tonight. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky, shine bright like a diamond.
Diamonds don't shine, they reflect light. They reflect light, they don't shine.
We are now moving to the third location. It is Lady Wu. I think there will be some KTV happening. This is the party bus once again. What? So we're not going up?
No, I want to
Half and blow the house down. Alright.
My goodness, part 3.
Part 3 now is
Yes, I do it. You're gonna say something. Hey, enough.
We have a second bottle. Everyone gets a second bottle for the second bus trip. Oh my god.
Hey, thank you so much for spending your Wednesday night with us.
We love Tipsy.
So, if you all had a great time today,
Yes.
please, if you see any of the staff wearing a silver shirt, please make them drink.
I'm done.
It finished so fast.
Japanese.
Japanese.
Bully me. And I'm not bullying you.
It's okay.
I bully.
When he bully you, it's the wrong thing.
I bully. Yeah, it's better.
That means he noticed you
I say. Don't put things in my mouth. Oh.
To your custom,
we're going Genting now.
you're going Genting now.
It's a very good tequila, isn't it? It's a 1800.
It's like Gula Melaka.
Yes, it does taste like Gula Melaka. It's a big leap down, yeah?
Okay, darling, come.
Oh, papa.
I'm steady. I'm a top.
Ooh,
I'm a top.
this is, oh, he's a top, I'm a bottom.
Foreign offended.
Yeah, the British. Singaporean won't appreciate.
So we are going up.
Oh no.
Are we moving?
I think so. Got stuck and then
It goes stun now. I'm still one. We are really still at one. Oh no.
Oh my,
哇，你出去，我还以为你要出去耶。
we're
原
still
来
at
你
the
又回来。
level 1.
不是我吧？我喝很多酒了。Sorry, I was dancing.
Yay! This is
lady move. I think it's my first time over here. I have no idea how this looks like. I've never been here before. I've only been here to Mad Men, you know, when it was Mad Men. Yeah. Ah! This is a KTV watcher, yeah.
So as you can see, there are alcohol over there. Make Ruben drink.
Come in.
Coming in.
Come in. Right now. Ali is here.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Places where
I don't have that much of an influence. I don't have like that now. Cheers. Cheers, Aaron.
What are the odds?
Alright.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sunshine.
I'm amazed I managed to wake up and now I'm going to try the Revolver. I am back at this part of Singapore again. I was just here last night at Warwick Manor and now I'm at Trust Street. First course, I'm having a massive hangover. This drink is perfect. It's got lime, mint, and soda, and it's sour enough for me. Ah, perfect. This is waking me up. I got my favorite dish. The juice came out. Wow. You think cod is good, right? They make cod even better. Up a different level with the spices and all that. The habanero sauce, so he told me to be easy on it. I'm just going to try a bit first. Wow, so tangy. This dish is very good. Eat clean from them. And this will be the best butter chicken that I'm going to have in Singapore. It's different. It's got a smoky flavor on it. It's very complex. Usually butter chicken is more indulgent and your go-to. This one has an added smoky flavor and it also has a very good bite. Interesting. This is the pulled pork. See some curry leaves on it. Wow. This might be my favorite dish here. It's not dry at all. Like there are a lot of pulled pork that I tried. They're very dry. Everything's just nice. I'm so happy with this meal. Even though I was hungover, I could actually enjoy everything. There's a fire here right in front of me while I dine. Watching them cook is also very, very entertaining. Oh, there's an Asian cabinet. On the left, there is the strip jack, but that's for the dinner menu. On the right, the beef is aging, yes, but it's actually covered in ghee. I learned new things today. This is the rice buffet with dried fruits on top. Down here, the little pecan bits. Miso butterscotch. Sounds very interesting, right? Very Christmassy kind of dessert. I taste the dried candied fruits and the pecan. Dessert time! I'm going to try this because it's supposed to be smoky. It's a marshmallow. It's supposed to be smoky and spicy because there's chili on it, and it's also a bit sour because there's lime on it. So I'm very excited to actually try. Wow! What am I eating? It's really good. Very interesting. Puppy bunny. It looks so hot. Oh my gosh. They are going to show me.
It's very traditional in English, Pontandu.
Yeah.
So it's worked with charcoal and nowadays worked with the electricity shares also. So what the best place is charcoal one.
Okay.
So the heat is around 400 degrees.
400 degrees now.
Heat, yeah.
I know, I felt it on my face when I tried to go in, but it's so hot. Oh my goodness.
I show you one.
Okay. Oh.
You normally do the rolling pin, big naan, normally to go outside it's very big.
Yeah, it's very big.
So normally they do this. Then you put, this is a pillow.
Oh, this is the pillow.
Hold it like this, so naan cannot find the place. It's like a baby
so
naan.
hot. It's a baby naan.
Then you cover it, when it's covered, then it stay inside.
And it's quite quick, right?
Yeah,
It's quite fast.
Less than 1 minute.
Less than 1 minute and it's done.
When it's cooked, you can see already this naan start getting.
Oh yeah, catching. Wow, perfect. Oh, it's so hot. You touched it.
You want to try? Because this one is metal, so it's very careful. I also want to.
Oh my god.
Sometimes busy hour.
I think I'm too short for this. Okay, so what happens if you accidentally drop the naan
Then
in?
it's burnt.
Then it's gone, so it just becomes
Sometimes-
part of the
yeah, sometimes,
fire.
Because sometimes you're making too many naan.
Yeah.
Like if you put the naan here, the second one you cannot put the same place.
Oh, okay. Can I try rolling?
Yeah.
Then okay. Do I need to put any flour?
You need to-
Just press. Is this the size? Or is it like a bit bigger? Around this size? Do it very big. You see his face is like, okay. And you put the pillow.
Want to try inside?
No, I don't. Oh,
And they cover so it's very
I saw your hand touch the lid. Is the lid hot?
Because you have to keep the gap between the string
Yeah.
in the center. Otherwise, here.
Oh my gosh! Yeah, all the wall scars. My goodness. You know how clumsy I am. I'm not gonna try. Woo! Hot day. Found the shade. I bought this hibiscus potting mix and this is recommended for indoor plants. And the brand is Baba. It's about $10 for 7 liters. This plant is dying, so I'm trying out this method where I'm going to put it in water. And I'm also going to add some fertilizer inside. Let's see if it actually tries to revive itself. There is a glimmer of hope with a tiny little bud. Name opening ceremony. I'm going to put it in the pot that used to contain the other plants. And this plant is doing quite well. They are going to have a graduation right now. Wow, new soil. New home. Clean up the sides later. And then add fertilizer. Shooting day, shooting day.
Hey, shooting day, ah?
Wait, do you want to make fun of? Yeah. But this will be so much later than you after you post. You're going to make fun of me being small again. It's a giant.
Short like this. Okay.
What
I won't
is
actually
this
be
to eat? What happened to the bow? This guy. Why do you...
你叫我打包吗？
Wait, Ben, why do you look like Quagmire?
I look like
Oh, the best service, yeah? Fresh beans, I heard. Kahava. Wow, the precision.
I promise 18 grams, I give you 18 grams.
Alright.
So they're like, oh, you have natural light, ah? Okay. Oh, so natural still, ah?
So apparently every time we shoot, right, the rain comes. It's very unforgiving. For some reason, that's our fate.
To balance our happiness.
What's your cafe called?
The Smiling Afro Coffee House.
Smiling Afro Coffee House. What does your apron say?
Anyhow, what kopitiam?
Alright, that's the
Because
franchise.
you know, anyhow.
Anyhow, doesn't look like it though. Done. So very yummy. This cat has blended in with the floor. Best camouflage ever. And this cat has come to devour me. I am now prey to this. Oops, no feet pics. Hello. Look at those eyes. I know you want pets, but I'm very allergic. I'm so sorry. I know. Wow, demanding. Okay, fine. I can't say no. So much food. Prawns, chicken, mutton, beef, and squid. They built it for me already.
Very juicy and plump. The fire engine is coming.
This is the coffee machine cleaning capsules, and I'm going to clean this one. Hopefully we see some gunk come out. It's all bright orange inside. This is how it looks like, and then just gonna put it up here. Let's see. So look at that. Ew. I just alighted from my Grab, and this jam is crazy, I tell you. It's just, there's so many road closures and we have no idea where we could stop. I had to even queue up to stop at a Funan drop-off point. Now I'm late. I could have taken a train and it would have been so much faster. The road closure for this. I'm almost there. I am so late right now. As you can see, no cars can come to this road because of this, the National Day Parade. I'm almost there. As you can see, no cars can come here at all. Everyone here is by foot. I'm gonna see Marine soon. This is the arts house. This is where I'm going. Man, this place is packed. I see her.
I don't care.
You don't care. A for Anna. Oh wow. Thank you. Class. Cheers. I like this. Is smoky. This has smoky whiskey in it. It typically doesn't do scotch. And then this one is not so strong. Tasting. But actually, I think the alcohol level is the same.
Yeah,
It's just,
I think so.
Yeah, it's just different taste. Like a concert hall. And you have wine fridges on both ends with ladders on them. What? You can climb to get your wine. Calamari. Please take and eat. You left calamari in the cream. 留给谁的？
留给你的。
啊，给我吃啊？Then why you take？
留给自己。
Naked. Yours is just a man.
Very normal.
Oh, you're kissing now.
I'm very proper.
Very proper. I call this art. So good. Look at the interior. Cross section. Yeah. You're so cute when you eat. That's the happy dance. That's my happy dance. Your time.
Here. Alright.
Local brew, is it? We have decided to explore the museum like an old couple on a holiday. Because we got kicked out of the restaurant. They told us we were taking too long. VR experience. They'll put it on you. Oh wow! It just sinks to the head.
Is it the same one?
No, it's not. It's not. Okay, thank you. Ooh, this is cool. So it looks like I'm on a boat ride and I'm going to explore a pagoda. So romantic. Beautiful. Just 2 months ago we were walking there. Now we're walking the other direction.
Why you come in, don't say hi to me one? Excuse me, very rude.
Hey, sorry lah.
Very rude.
I must say, I wanted to say hi to them first.
Only, I accidentally bought something that has Michelin star. Ooh, I've always wanted to try this. I did. Vodka soda. Yeah, mama.
Mark Spencer on the sound edit. Yeah, all
This is the funniest receipt I've seen. Everything is the same name, but the prices are different. Yes, a bit much, but yes. This is the beef. Looks good. Wow. Should they? Okay, they finished setting up. Oh, they are done. This is my light.
Voila.
You look
10 years younger.
Still look like you.
Still looks like
Yes,
me, but
yes.
quite younger. Thank you.
Thank you. Whoa, there's Susan. We found Susan. Wow, this one, right, is where you go and make the business meeting and say, yeah, okay, deal. Yes, like that.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, go. Wow, all the wine. I'm at Beauty in the Pot, and today they have a collaboration with Hanjip, which is a Korean restaurant that's very well known for their grilled meat. And today we have a shrimp broth that is main collab broth that Hanjip and Beauty in the Pot has together. Right now they have served some of the dishes, some of the banchan as well. So this is a very Korean inspired meal, and we have a new dish coming up as well. Thank you so much. Sweet and sour spicy mushroom. I'm sure a lot more is coming. And then there's dumplings as well. There are different colors and all that. There's pink, green, and grey, and brown. Ooh, that's a dragon. Wow, look at that. This is a lot of meat. Okay, thank you. 90 seconds. US, Hokkaido, Kurobuta, Nagano. It's time to party. This guy brings the party. Like a Mexican bulldog. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. There we go. What? Wow, look at this Alaskan crab. And then there's a whole dramatic entrance here with a dry ice. Crab. We are going to make sauce now. I'm going to learn from the expert. I know for sauces, my go-to is always the Thai lime chili sauce. It's quite safe, right? Look at her. Mushroom sauce and fried garlic. That's a safe choice.
The other one.
Soya sauce. Supreme soy sauce. Wow, that's a lot of combi. Exciting. Done. Wow. To work here, right, have to dance. Not easy, no. Are you trying to cut it? Okay, very full. We are done with our meal. That was a very filling meal. Yummy, yummy. The crab was very fresh and very good. Very good. Come for the crab, the Alaskan king crab. Is this water? No, what? This.
She'll like it if it's sour. Oh no, she doesn't.
I got my wine, got whiskey, and water and water. I'm very thirsty. We are here. All that muscle. Hi, yes. Yeah. Hi! I'm now at the Featherblade again. This is the one in East Coast, and we are starting with some appetizers. We have scallops and salmon, and then after that we're gonna have main courses and the exciting sides as usual. And also we're gonna have veggies, so spinach and aubergine. So I'm really looking forward to it. We're starting with the coffee martini right now. I love. Dinner time. Lemon. Do you know that it was only this week that I found out it's called Ning Mong and not Ling Mong? Don't feel as a Chinese person. Okay, I just outed myself. This is the octopus and this is the sando. Why does my tap make this sound? It sounds like a crying baby. Oh, now it doesn't want to make the sound. I did that for half a second and then now it's okay. See, camera shy, camera shy. We are right now at Rappu and I got Marine with me. Right here I have my sake flight and we are now at the third course. We were busy eating and drinking. I didn't update you at all, but it's been a while since I came to Rappu and this is your first time. It's the second time at Rappu. Time at night. Second? No. That time she's been here before.
Second time by the day, then this is the third time.
Ah, she knows her stuff. Alright. Strip jack. This is good. This is the July special. We just finished our meal and then we are going home.
I'm very full.
And we are very full.
Very full.
Yes, she's a very full girl. Don't be a fool. Good morning. I have a meeting at the Singapore Chinese Cultural Center today. Took the Brown Line. This is where I'm at. And I was just here last week. It's no surprise that I keep coming back to the same places. For every episode, there's something happening right here. Land up at the same exact place every single time within a few weeks. I was early, but now I'm lost. And I'm going to be there just on time. Blech. That's where I came out from, but I can't cross over to the building behind. So now I'm doing a big round and I'm walking at the back of buildings. I hope it's the right way. I'm hopeless with direction. I'm perspiring like mad. And guess what? Just now, the MRT station, coming out from the train, the escalator was actually not working. So everyone climbed up the entire flight of stairs that's equivalent to maybe more than 3 levels up. So I had quite a workout this morning. So glad I had breakfast already. Wasn't expecting to perspire so much. Taking the train instead of he horned a little bit too slow. I'm here. Time for meeting. I'm just done with my meeting. It was a good meeting. Right now I'm going to try and disturb Marine. We'll grab lunch together. I just have to walk all the way straight and I'm at her place. Whoa, can see them cook here. Got my carrot cake. I got this chili, free flow, and also I saw this, I don't know if it's pork lard or bean curd, but it's pork lard. Free flow pork lard as well. Oh my gosh! And there's a hair in my food. I think it's more like an eyelash than a hair. I think the black carrot cake is nicer than the white one. Marine's still queuing, getting Thai fun. I don't know why the queue is so long for Thai fun. Maybe there are a lot of indecisive people in front of her. All the Thai fun is really good and popular. You can see the crowd has built up. CBD lunchtime. All that queue. The queue is sneaking all the way back here. I'm gonna get coffee. I'm gonna get coffee right now. Hello， 还有kopi C 可松冰。
要等啊，还没有上好哎。
哦，什么 kopi 都没有，只有这些啊。哦，OK， 给我一个 Milo 冰。In the end, I got a Milo ping. Okay lah, still bought something. Oh well. And it's not nice. It's very diluted. Diluted, still want to put ice. Gosh. Let me tell you the speed I ran to the McDonald's app because they have just released non-spicy McCrispy and I have been waiting for this since year 2000, okay? Relive my primary 5 years. This is the first day that they have released this. This is the day that I'm having it. Let's do a taste test. It's okay. It's okay. Why did I build it up so much in my head? Still nice though. Still a decent piece of chicken. 2 weeks ago, I posted a post on whether I should get a new camera. So I showed pictures of what I took with my Canon camera. I was actually in the midst of deciding which camera brand to continue with to purchase next. Bernard, my friend, decided to forward my Canon post to Canon. And so today, Canon has decided to have a meeting with me to see what we can work out. All I need to do right now is to just try out different cameras before making my decision on what to purchase. I'm going for the meeting now. I'm going to let you know how it goes. Done with meeting. This is the sticker that they gave me. It was a little bit confusing going up to the office. So a very kind lady decided to ask if I needed help. She was like, okay, come in the lift with me, I'll bring you there. She was like, you going Canon office, is it? I said, yeah. It was real fun. The meeting went well. So they're going to pass me a camera or cameras and lenses to try. This is the camera model that I've been looking at and I'm excited to explore more with Canon. I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to try this one again. This time for a proper meal. No raw onion. Wow. It worked. I've been officially influenced by Thomas. So many. Wow. Hi. So cool. I'm at Huber's today. I'm going to get some groceries. There are 2 levels. I always start from level 2 and then work my way down. Here's the sample. I prefer this one. This has a lot of herby taste. I get caviar. Oh! So many beers. Actually, right, if you can recommend, because I'm going to Germany, right, which beer do I have to buy back to Singapore because Singapore don't have, and which beer do I not need to bring back and can carry back to Singapore because we already have here. So let me know which one I should look out for, okay? I don't want to take up baggage space. Next stop, the Dempsey Project. Cubus has no coffee, so I'm on the hunt for coffee, either at the Dempsey Project if they have, if not, I'm going to Kulina. So apparently, the Dempsey Project doesn't usually sell coffee, but they managed to sell us coffee. So I got the coffee beans, 250 grams. They packed it, yes, Emma. They packed it as actually not for sale, but you can ask for it and then they can sell you their beans. Who knew? It was so random. I walked around, there was no coffee bean, but they just happened to take it from behind the coffee bar and then we got beans. So random. So cute.1952 哦，我有他的1952的衣服嘞。
他给你啊？
他给我，我有2套。Bicycle registration card。
我都 belong to。
阿公的 watch， then 这个是奶奶的 watch。还有 lighter。
This is chop.
You're a very good driver. Malaya.
Singapore Johor
Federation of Malaya.
letter cover. So inside, this is a letter. This is a letter.
Wow.
Okay, and then this. 还有 when I do until I search this one, and then I notice I see got another name. All these things that
We got the thumbprints. Wow. So much flavor. And a noisy dog. Good morning meal. Homemade bread, tomato, mozzarella, mortadella ham, basil, and tea. I'm on the way to lunch with 2 of my friends. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday because I filmed the part 1 yesterday and then today I have to film part 2 just because I'm in the area. This is how it looks like, wearing the same exact clothing as yesterday. But after this, I'm gonna go home and change because I really don't like wearing the same thing for 2 days. It's a thing. That's why I didn't like school also. I didn't like to wear the same school uniform. I don't even like to wear the same outfit for half a day. So I hope this doesn't stick. I don't think it does. But we are going to go for lunch. Then I'll head home. I'll show you the food soon. This is so sad. My favorite pig's organ soup is gone. It's shut down because the wall of the kitchen had something wrong, I think. So it's a safety issue. But I hope they open again soon. I'm at beer time. Oh yay, I am hungry. All the walking has made me so hungry. I got a coconut to start because we are going to be late. So I've actually been to beer Thai before. They used to be at Golden Mile, and this is like one of my favorite Thai restaurants ever in Singapore. And you can see that the owner actually won a lot of awards. He has since retired and his children has taken over, and this is the new outlet, new-ish, at Kitchener Road.
Okay. And
It's a feast. Any more things? Nothing.
hi.
Yeah. Wow. 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 vegetarian, and today I'm bringing my sister to try, and Tian's coming as well. We're going to have the duck and the seafood hot pot. So I'm ready for some prawn and some duck. Wow! We got beer. Beers for everyone. Thank you. 谢馍再滚多一下下，下。Okay， 你要摆 pose 吗？哦，是。All right. Some pubic hair. Duck. Have a duck. Like a bit fancy. Real duck. Like a Ani. Ben treat us Ani. Thanks, man. I'm finally with Tian after so many months.
After
right?
months.
Yeah, and then she's back in Singapore and she finally went like, okay, let's meet.
Let's meet. And that's how our meetings always go.
Yeah, was
They're
it-
always spontaneous.
Yes, was the food yummy?
It's really good. I mean,
you come back?
I will definitely come back. And
Yeah.
I think the tofu,
Yeah, the tofu was
the
really
tofu
good.
is the highlight for me. I
Yes.
think I have a full plate of that.
Yes. It's so good. So good to see you. And then stop going overseas lah, maybe. Just a
Let's just chill.
suggestion.
Let's just chill here for a
Yeah,
while.
Singapore is good.
Singapore's really
Let's
good.
like
actually.
sit,
There's a lot to
let's
do.
just sit down in Singapore, like right now.
Yeah, like your house.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so all my friends always invite themselves to my house.
Yes.
And I like them. Luckily, I like them, so they can definitely go.
We're lucky that Anna likes us.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining me on this incredible journey. Reflecting on these past few weeks, each experience has been truly meaningful and has touched my heart in unique ways. Celebrating at the Tipsy Collective Anniversary party reminded me of the joy in shared moments and the importance of cherishing friendships. My visit to Lau Pa Sat highlighted the vibrant local culture. Dining at Revolver Restaurant and Brasserie Astoria was not just about the amazing food, but about savoring each moment and being present. Exploring the pagoda exhibition at the Asian Civilisations Museum and looking through my late grandparents' treasures brought a deep sense of connection to my roots and the importance of heritage and memories. Considering a collaboration with Canon reminded me of the value of growth and new opportunities. Most importantly, meeting Kira the Shiba again at Gastrobeats was a touching reminder of the pure and simple joy that comes from the companionship of our furry friends. These experiences have truly enriched my perspective on life, teaching me to embrace every moment, cherish relationships, and find joy in the simplest of things. I hope this journey inspires you to do the same. Thank you for being part of this adventure, and I can't wait to share more with you. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.